Sorry, the time was up, so it just cut off. Okay, ST and RM are same magnitude but opposite direction. So ST is going to be negative R over 2. Okay, then what is C? PR. What is PR? Where is PR? Okay, PR is here. So let's draw it first. PR. How we will find PR? That's the direction. Oh, it's very easy. PR is equal to what loop am I going to use? I will start from the tail of the vector and go around, come back to nose of the vector. So this is going to be PO plus OR. So what is PO? PO is this direction, which is opposite of P. Then this is going to be negative P. And what is OR? OR is equal to R. It was given in the question. So the answer is negative P plus R. Number D, TR. Okay, where is TR? TR is here. Let's draw TR, TR. That's the direction. So TR is equal to, I know ST and RS. It is already found in the beginning. So I will use this loop here. I will start from the tail and go around to come back to nose. So this is going to be TS plus SR. Now, I have found ST as negative R over 2, and I have found RS is as negative P. So, what is TS? TS is the opposite of ST. Therefore, it's going to be negative R over 2 plus, and SR is the opposite of RS. It's going to be negative P. So, negative positive R over 2 plus P. The answer will be. The next question here. PQR are midpoints. Express each of the following vectors in terms of A, B, A and B. Okay, AP, BC, PQ, AC, and RC. If P and Q are midpoints, if that is 3B, this has to be 3B. If this is 3A, then the same direction, this has to be 3A. Now let's answer the questions. AP, where is AP? Oh, AP, we already found it, that is 3A. What is BC? BC, we already found it, 3B plus 3B, that makes 6B. Okay, what is PQ? Where is PQ? Oh, okay, PQ is here. Okay, let's calculate it. What is PQ? PQ will be, I will start from the tail. That's going to be PB plus BQ. So what is PB? 3A. What is BQ? 3B. So it is equal to 3A plus 3B. Number D, AC. First we draw AC. Okay, AC is here. So that's the direction. I will start from the tail. It's going to be AB plus BC. So what is AB? 6A. What is BC? 6B. So the answer is 6A plus 6B. So RC. Since R is the midpoint, RC will be, vector RC will be AC over 2. So that is 6A plus 6B over 2. That makes 3 plus 3. Okay, so let's move to the next question. In this question here, that's question number 4 and this is question number 5. In this question here, the vectors are given U and E. And the question is, the first question, find the magnitude of U. What is magnitude? Let's write the formula first. Magnitude of a vector, say that vector U is AI plus BJ. The magnitude of U is equal to square root of A squared plus B squared. If our vector has 3 components, AI plus BJ plus CK, then the magnitude of the vector will be square root of A squared plus B squared plus C squared. The sum of the squares of the coefficients. And you will see the unit vector unit vector is equal to vector itself divided by the magnitude of the vector. So, what does that mean? Let's apply and see on a question here. All right, so we separate this. Yeah. What kind of separation is that? All right, so what is the answer of A? What is the magnitude of U? Let's answer them here. What is the magnitude of U? Magnitude of U. Square root of, what is it? 5 square plus negative 2 square. That makes root, uh, that makes root 29. Okay, B. Magnitude of E. So that's going to be root negative 2 square plus 3 square. So that makes 4 plus 9, root 13. Number C. What is the unit vector of U? So the formula says here, vector U itself. So that's going to be 5i minus 2j divided by the magnitude of U. Magnitude of U, we found root 29. But we don't leave it as it is. We write it separately. 5 over root 29i minus 2 over root 29j. So that's a better answer. What is the unit vector of E? Okay, what is vector E? Negative 2i plus 3j divided by root 13. So we separate it. Negative 2 over root 13i plus 3 over root 13j. So that's the unit vector. Then the next question is find u plus e. So we basically add them. 5i minus 2j plus, what is e? Negative 2i plus 3j. So the result will be, that makes 3i plus j. 5i minus 2i is 3i, negative 2j plus 3j is plus j. What about magnitude of that? So magnitude of that will be, magnitude of this result, this is going to be 3 square plus 1 square, that's going to be root 10. So that's the answer. All right, the next question is, they are asking us to find the angle between these two vectors. How do I find angle? The angle is u times v. You'll use this formula, magnitude u times magnitude v times cosine theta. If angle between two vectors are asked, we are going to use this formula. So this called scalar product. Scalar product means, let's write the formula here. Vector u is ai plus bj, and vector v is what is it? Ci plus dj. So when you want to multiply, which we call scalar product, what we do, we multiply the coefficient of the same components. What is the coefficient of I, A, and C? A times C plus coefficient of the same component J, B, and D. So there is no I and J as scalar product. AC plus BD. Now, if you look at here, coefficient of I's are 4 and 2. Then it's going to be 4 times 2 plus coefficient of j's are 3 times negative 3 is equal to, what is the magnitude of u? Magnitude of u is 4 square plus 3 square times magnitude of v means 2 square plus negative 3 square times cosine theta. So what happens here? 8 minus 9 is equal to, that makes 5 times root, that makes 9, 13 times cosine theta. So cosine theta will be equal to negative 1 over 5 over root 13. Then what is theta? We use our calculator. Here's our calculator. Negative 1 over oh yeah, my calculator battery is going to go over negative 1 over 5 root 13 is equal to shift cosine I'm